Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to perform a clean boot in Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type msconfig in Windows search bar. Click and open System Configuration. Click Services tab. Check Ideal Microsoft Services. Click Disable All. Click Startup tab. Click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup programs one by one. Close Task Manager. Click Apply. Click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.